all of the students, all of the viewers. So I hope you will enjoy or you will learn a lot of things while learning and while uh, enjoying this video. Okay, so we'll learn with enjoy. Okay, same thing that learn with Rohit and learn with fun. Okay, so in this video, as the title is already mentioned, that what is tense, the introduction of tenses. So this whole video will be on the topic of the tenses, that what is tense and the basic introduction of the tenses and the usage and the some frequently asked questions about the tenses. Okay, so students, first of all, we already know that from our first standards we are having deep relations in our English grammar to learn tenses, to give test, to use tenses, right? So it is not the limited thing, like it's like infinity. It will be helpful for our whole life, right? So tense is not like, I want to convey here this, like the tense is not like this is a specific part of your class, like from first standard to 12th standard it will be useful for, and the rest of life there is no use of tenses. One can live without some other topics, but the tenses is the most paramount thing. Okay, the paramount thing of the tense is just because one must if one is aspirant regarding the English language, one is very well wishes or one is very curious to learn English language, so he or she must require a good statistical method and the working technology behind the tenses. So through this video, with the different parts, this video will go long in diverse parts, but I guarantee to all of you that I'll explain to the whole structure of tenses from the basic one. Okay, so first of all, students, as I earlier told you that it's not like that if we completed our 12th standard then there is no usage of tenses. We all know that there is a lot of usage of tenses because they polishes our speaking skills, listening skills, also the writing skills same. Okay, so in every aspects in the modern world, like English is a well known or a world known language, so one must have a good command over this language. Okay, so to learn the language, the simple thing is that we have to learn the rules, regulations of this thing. As same in Punjabi, we learn Vyakaran. Why we learn Vyakaran? It is the rules and the implements and the elements that applied in a Punjabi language, right? The same with the tense. Tenses are the rules and the regulations under which we talk or write in the English language. Okay, so first of all, I want to explain that the word tense, basic thing, word tense. Word tense is a Greek word. In Greek we say tano, which means time. So this is now clear, that very much clear that tense stands for time. That's it. The tense stands for time. Okay, so time, we also know that a time is in a relative. Timeline is very linear. They are very relative. How the time is relative? Linear or relative, time having the deep relation with the past, present, future. How? See, if I got stuck in that kind of situation where I was very uncomfortable, so the time, the 5 minutes will be like 5 hours for me. And on the other hand, if we say, like, if I got stuck, if I got the chance, not stuck, if I got the chance to spend the time with those persons with whom I want to do, so that 5 hours will be look like a 5 minutes. Like, so this is explanation that time is very relative. Okay, sometimes we think that, oh, it's been so long, we are waiting for the bus, and sometimes like we are in hurry, oh, it's getting too early, time clock's hand is running very fastly, right? So the time is relatively. Sometimes we want that the time should stuck in the phase in the structure. So sometimes we want the time should run, like in a class we want, oh, we want the time to over, but in the party we don't want that, we want a long time. So this is how the time is related. I had already given to all of examples to you. So as we was on the topic tense time, so time is also divided into 3 segments. That is, first is the present tense segment, and another is past and the future. First, the present. For example, I am recording the video. Okay, so this is the present time, like what I am doing. Okay, so it will be a past after I recording, after I record this video, it will become a past for me. Okay, first there will be use of present, then after present it converts into a past. The things that happened is said to be past. So the thing is that clear now, the things that happened is said to be a past tenses, and the things that is happening in the real time is said to be a present tenses. And the next thing is the thing that will be happen, or that will be happen, or the that will, we have a certainty or we have a probability in a future that it will to happen or it will happen. So that is said to be a future tenses, right? Present, past, future, these are the timelines or the time segments. Okay, so our grammar rules divided the time into these segments: past, present, and the future. And to understand the basic structure, we have also divided the 3 times into the 4 subtypes, like simple, negative, continuous, which means progressive, and the negative plus interrogative. Okay, which means present simple, present negative, present interrogative plus negative. Same for all of the tenses, which means 3 into 4, 12. So 12 tenses, rules and regulations we have to study. Before this, we have to study also about the usage of singular, plural, all of the parts of speeches. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned, and I'll upload the second part of this video.